up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate. If you are not new, thank you for watching another vlog. So it's Sunday and it is almost 6:30. It's 6:21. I just got back from staying at my mom's house. Zach is down the Cape and he's actually on his way back, but I figured that I would vlog a little bit and do kind of like a night in my life type of vlog because I haven't done one in a while. I did like a night routine, but that was like a month ago, I think. But this is kind of not like my night routine, but more like a vlog at nighttime. So if that makes any sense. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go and do that. I post on Wednesdays and Sundays, but I'm currently just wearing a Skims little tank top and my Aritzia Flare leggings and my slippers. You already know these are my favorite slippers. I kind of want to get a new pair because they don't really look gross on camera, but like they're kind of getting pretty worn in and like the bottom of them is like disgusting. So I kind of want to get a new pair. But that's my little outfit for right now. I'm probably going to make some dinner, although I'm not really in the mood for like food, if that makes sense. Like all I want right now is like a piece of avocado toast with some like egg on it and maybe feta cheese or something. I had that for breakfast like the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. That's like all I want right now. I don't really want like dinner food. So we're gonna do breakfast for dinner right now. But it was such a nice day out today. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. It's finally starting to get warmer in Massachusetts. It was 70 degrees today. Me and my mom went on like a 3-mile walk, actually like 4 miles, I think. And we did that. We ran some errands, but like the vibes today are just so immaculate. The sun was out. There was literally not a cloud in the sky. Like it was just making me so excited for summertime and like going to the Cape and just like doing fun summer things. So I cannot wait for summer and just like when it's warm every single day. So yeah, today was just like such a good day and the day's not even over yet. So this is my Sunday night dinner. I'm gonna toast up my sourdough bread. My mom gave this to me. She got this from Shaw's. It's by the brand The Rustic Oven. Really good. I'm just so obsessed with sourdough bread and I'm getting her onto the sourdough bread train, but she didn't want this for some reason. I think she had like other bread and she just gave this one to me because obviously me and Zach go through bread like there's no tomorrow. So I'm gonna toast up a piece of that. I have my avocado that was already in the fridge and I'm only going to scramble 1 egg and throw in some almond milk in there because that's how I make my eggs fluffy. Key, if you want to make your eggs fluffy, I always add milk or water. So that is going to be my little Sunday night feast. Dinner. She looks so beautiful. I'm so obsessed. I put goat cheese on top. I said feta I think earlier, but it's goat cheese. Goat cheese is like one of my favorite cheeses and this combo is just so good. So this is gonna be my dinner for tonight. This is all I am craving. I also put some butter on the sourdough bread before I put the avocado on. Also a game changer, really good if you haven't tried it yet. So I'm gonna go eat this. I also need candles lit at nighttime. It's just like a necessity. So I have these 2 candles on the stove. This one's like almost gone, so I need to get a new one, but candles are a must to just set the vibe. So I'm gonna light those 2. I'm also gonna light this one. This one is Capri Blue from Anthropologie. Also, don't mind the beeping outside. I also have to trim this wick. This is one of my biggest pet peeves. If you don't trim your candle wicks, what are you doing? Like, that looks so much better and cleaner. It's also better for the candle. So I'm gonna go ahead and light this. This candle smells so amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with it. It's also just so pretty. Like, the jar, so aesthetic and pleasing. So this is my key to making the apartment smell amazing. And then for my dessert, I'm having a little square of this dark chocolate truffle chocolate that I got from Trader Joe's. It's actually Zach's, so shh, don't tell him I'm having a piece. But I'm having this for my dessert, and then I also just filled up my water bottle. I put some ice in there too. I'm like so thirsty. And I got this water bottle sent to me actually. It's like package free stuff. Like all the stuff that they sent me was package free. So it's by this brand, and it's like my new favorite water bottle. If you know, the Starbucks one over there used to be like my favorite, but now it's this one. So we're moving along to this water bottle. So I'm gonna drink some water, eat my little chocolate, and I'm also gonna do the dishes because I just ran the dishwasher. So I'm just gonna clean these and have them ready for the week. So I'm gonna take off my makeup right now and put on a face mask. I also think that I'm going to treat myself to a bath tonight just because why not? Self-care Sunday has to be in full effect. So I always like to go in with like a little cotton pad and take my micellar water. I use the Garnier micellar water. Favorite micellar water. I've been using this for so long, but I just like to use this and then wash my face and then use more micellar water because I just like to make sure that my skin is clean and that all my makeup is off. I also wore some of my mom's sunscreen today before we went on our walk because I didn't bring mine and it was so greasy. Oh my gosh. She said that she only puts it on like her nose and not like her whole entire face because it's so greasy, and I literally slapped so much sunscreen on my face, put it all over my neck, and like my face just felt so greasy today. So I want to make sure that that sunscreen is all off of my face. So now I'm taking my Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap and I'm gonna put that on my little electronic face brush and wash my face. Okay, so my face is all clean and now I'm gonna go in with a face mask. I'm using Origin's Hello Calm and I really like this face mask. It helps with like the redness in my face because obviously my face is so sensitive and gets so red at like the slightest touch. So I'm just using this little concealer brush and I'm just gonna put this all over my face obviously. So I'm gonna take my bath now and I just put on my Salt Rock lamp. I got this from HomeGoods. Such a good buy. It like just gives off all the vibes, and I'm also going to light these little candles that my mom gave me. Zach like ruined them and stuck his fingers in them because he's like actually 5 years old, so. Now it was so relaxing. I love just sitting in the bath and doing nothing. I was playing some meditation music and it's just the best feeling in the world. So if you're feeling stressed and need to have a self-care moment, take a bath. I feel like they just fix everything. I also just lathered myself in this body oil by Osea. It's the Undaria Algae Body Oil. It looks like this. It's so good. It smells amazing. So I love this stuff. I will link it down below. I love like putting it on my legs so they're just like so silky and smooth. But I'm now going to put on some eye patches. I always show these Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox eye patches. I talk about these all the time, so if I repeat myself a lot, I apologize, but seriously, these are just like things that I love and that I do all the time. So I always want to share it because you guys are my besties and I like to share everything with you. Gonna put on some eye patches. I love like prepping my skin for the upcoming week. It's like my favorite. Like I just feel so put together on a Sunday night when I have like a face mask on, or I'm like planning my week, or just like whatever. It's just like the best feeling in the world. So eye patches on. We're in like full self-care mode. It's like the best. So while I have my eye patches on, I'm also gonna ice roll my face. The bath like made me hot and like I feel sweaty right now, and also ice rolling is just so relaxing. So this is my ice roller that I use. I always show this all the time in my vlogs. I always have it linked down below, but I'm just gonna ice roll my face and have a moment. Like this feels so good. So it's been a little bit. I'm gonna take off my eye patches and finish up my skincare. First, I'm taking my serum. I have this Aloe Tiva serum, which I need more of. I'm literally almost out. This is my favorite serum for the nighttime. So I just take a little dropper full, put it all over my face. My skincare, I swear, like feels 10 times better when I put it on after I've ice rolled my face. Like, oh my gosh, if you don't have an ice roller, this is your sign. You need one. They're just so relaxing, and it's like my favorite part of the day. I usually do it in the morning when I meditate, and it's so good. But anyways, I'm gonna take my moisturizer, Pond's Dry Skin Cream, and moisturize my face. I was just talking to Zach on FaceTime, and he was saying how like he never used to wash his face before he met me, and like when we first started talking, I would FaceTime him and I'd be like washing my face, and he'd be like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing to your face? And it's so funny because now he makes sure to wash his face every morning and every night. So I did my part and made him get into skincare, and now he's obsessed with being clean and washing his face. And pat on the back for me, because it's just like fun to like bond over that and like talk about it and stuff. I don't know. So I was just talking to him about that. I just thought that was funny. But I'm gonna take my eye cream. I use the Black Tea Eye Serum from Fresh. So I just take a little bit on my ring finger and put it under my eyes. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth because I need to put on my lip product, but I always brush my teeth before I do that. For my lips, I'm using my Laneich Lip Mask in Peppermint. I need to like buy a little brush or something for this because I was watching Danielle Carolyn's vlog. I don't know what it was from, but she has like a lip brush to apply this because it's so like sticky, and I hate sticky things. And not that sticking my finger in here is like a big deal, but it's also just like a sanitary thing for me. I mean, my hands are always clean. It's not like I'm disgusting, but I don't know. I just like really want a lip brush for this because it's so like sticky. But it's like my favorite lip product in the whole entire world. So that is my skincare. I'm all prepped and ready for the night and the week. So I'm gonna throw in a little load of laundry right now. I'm gonna do some darks, but I use these Gain Fireworks little scent booster things. These smell so freaking amazing. They make your laundry and your clothes smell like heaven. It's in the Moonlight Breeze scent, and they are so good. 10 out of 10 if you have trouble like with your clothes smelling good. I always use these. My mom got me into loving these, so I always use those. And then I use this Tide Pure Clean laundry detergent. This also smells really good. It's honey lavender, and these two together just like make my clothes smell so good. So I'm gonna throw in this load of laundry really quickly. chill in my bed for a little bit while I plan my week ahead. I use this planner, which is from Amazon, and it's like my favorite thing in the whole entire world. That's what keeps me sane and what keeps me organized. And sorry for the lines also on the screen. It's from my little sunlight lamp. It's just like so annoying, so don't mind that. But I'm gonna like sit in my bed and just plan my week because it's Sunday and I like to know like what I have going on for the week and everything like that. So I'm gonna do that. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I haven't gotten a manicure in so long. I honestly don't even remember the last time I had a manicure, but I am getting them done at Mini Lux, and I've heard like so many good things about Mini Lux, so we'll see how that goes tomorrow. I'm also gonna go and do some shopping for my mom for Mother's Day, and then Monday is always kind of like a reset day. Like I clean the apartment and cook, do all that stuff. So tomorrow's gonna be a busy day, and on top of like work stuff I have to do, so I'm gonna plan out everything to make sure I stay on track, stay on top of things, and have the best week. Chill on the couch now and wait for Zach to come home. He should be home soon. Let's check his location. Let's see where he is. He said he was gonna be home at like 9ish and it's 8:25, so it says he's 14 miles away, so he should be home at like 9ish. But I'm going to chill on the couch. I have my cozy blanket, which is from Crate & Barrel, also my matching PJs. I showed these in my last vlog. They're from Target. I will also link them down below. They're so fun, and I just love matching PJs. But I just turned on the TV because I'm gonna watch some of Ozark, which just came out the other day. Me and Zach have been watching it, but I fell asleep the last time, so I'm gonna finish that episode so that when he comes home we can start a new episode together. But I just love that show. I think it's like one of my favorite shows of all time. Like it's such a good show, and I'm gonna finish this episode. I think it's this one, but I don't even know. I like fell asleep. I literally like cannot stay awake anymore. Like I fall asleep watching TV shows like every single night when me and Zach are watching a show together. Like I just can't stay awake anymore. So I'm gonna have to rewind to go to the beginning. I always feel so much better when I'm vlogging at nighttime when I'm home alone, because I feel like I have my friends here with me and I'm not alone. Because sometimes I spook myself and I get like nervous when I'm home alone, and it's only because I watch so many like murder shows and killing stories. Like I need to stop. So I'm gonna finish this